After packing thousands of school lunchboxes over the last 15 years, I've learned that there isn't one perfect lunchbox. If I were buying lunchboxes today for a pre-K through third grader, I wouldn't buy the same one for every one of my kids. I choose the one that best fits how my child eats. By the way, today's video is not sponsored. This summer, I bought several of the most popular lunchboxes available today. I tested them, and in no particular order, here are my top picks. I'll link every lunchbox that I mentioned below, along with a few other places you can buy them in case they're somewhere on sale besides Amazon. Bentgo kits is my pick for everyday school lunches. If your child mostly eats a traditional cold lunch, this one is hard to beat. The compartments are leak resistant, so food stays separated, even if you're packing yogurt, fruit, or a dip. I also like that the latch is easy for little hands to open and close on their own, which is a big plus for preschool and elementary age kids. It's also available with a chill tray, which you keep in the freezer and then slide it under the lunch tray to keep the whole lunch chilled. This is great because it eliminates the need for an ice pack, especially if you live somewhere hot. The food tray is top rack, dishwasher safe, and the exterior of the lunchbox, I usually just give it a quick hand wash. It's also available in a larger side, tons of colors, and there's a stainless steel version too. If you're looking for one lunchbox that works well for most kids, this is where I'd start. The OmieBox is my pick for kids who love hot lunches. The built-in insulated thermos lets you pack hot and cold foods together in the same lunchbox, so you're not limited to packing the same lunch every day. Imagine reheating last night's leftovers, keeping them hot until lunch, and still being able to pack fruit, veggies, cheese, crackers, and all other sides in the same lunchbox. And on days that you don't need the thermos, you simply remove it to make room for larger foods like sandwiches or wraps. It's almost like getting two lunchboxes in one. The lunchbox itself is sturdy and it's easy to open and close, and kids love the carrying handle. It fits in nearly every standard lunch bag, so that's always a plus. The only drawback I've experienced is that it's hand wash only. Now, one accessory that I think that's worth mentioning is the OmieChill. If you're packing a hot lunch in the thermos but still want to send a yogurt pouch, smoothie, or applesauce that you want to keep it cold, this solves that problem. You just freeze it overnight, slide the pouch inside, and it'll help keep it cold until lunchtime. If those pouches are part of your lunch routine, it's a really great add-on. The PlanetBox is my top pick if you're looking for a lunchbox that can last for years. The durable stainless steel construction is built to handle and use daily, be passed down to younger siblings. The roomy compartments make it easy to pack a balanced lunch with plenty of variety, more or less depending on your child's age. It comes with two leak-proof containers, which are great for keeping messy foods contained. The smaller one is great for sauces and dips, and the larger one for yogurt or pasta salads, for example. If you have a preschool age kiddo, practice opening it at home a couple of times, but otherwise, my kids could open it without issues. The stainless never goes out of style, so your kid won't outgrow the color or character, but you can easily customize it with magnets instead of replacing the whole lunchbox. This one is dishwasher safe, which is very convenient. It fits in many standard lunch bags, but if you buy the PlanetBox one, it can fit a drink too. So if you're looking for something that you'll probably only buy once and last a long time, the PlanetBox is a great option. LunchBox is my pick for families who want a simple plastic-free lunchbox. Now, these are the ones that I've used to pack my kids' lunches for more than a decade, which means the stainless steel is incredibly durable, it won't stain, and it does not hold on to food odors over time. It's available in a variety of compartment configurations and larger sizes that hold more food for older kids. It's great for packing lunches that include a variety of foods and building out snack boxes. So you can choose the layout that works best for your child's appetite and have a couple. It's dishwasher safe and it fits in every type of lunch bags, even those tall, narrow ones. By the way, if your child is more of a snacker than a full lunch kind of kid, I've got one coming up that you're going to want to see. Now, even if you don't buy the lunchbox with the built-in insulated container, I think that every family should buy a good thermos. They're perfect for packing leftovers because it keeps hot foods hot when you heat the food properly and cold foods cold. This one is the classic one from Thermos, and it's great. It's lasted me over a decade. However, I'd say that a thermos with a wide opening makes it easier to eat food out of regardless of the age of your child. I've had this one for years and my kids love it. Now this summer, I found another model where the lid makes it super easy to grip and open. So I'm definitely recommending this one for younger kids. What's great is that thermoses are dishwasher safe. I love that. The 12-ounce size is great for most kids, and the larger 20-ounce size is great for high schoolers or athletes or kids with just bigger appetites. Now, if you're looking for the best value, these EasyBoxes are hard to beat. They were the original lunchbox with multiple compartments, and I've used them since they first came out, which is why I have so many videos with them on my channel where they're featured. You get multiple containers in one set with different color lids, making them one of the most affordable options for packing school lunches. They fit in standard lunch bags, they're lightweight, they're stackable, and just an easy way for packing healthy lunches of any type. You can pack sandwiches, a wrap, young kid lunches. They're especially great for packing lunches ahead of time. They're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, so they really make lunch packing easier. Now, if you're tired of forgetting the ice bags, the PackIt Lunch Bag is a game changer. The built-in freezable gel means that you no longer need to remember to pack a separate ice bag in the morning. You just fold it flat, pop it in the freezer overnight, and it's ready to go the very next day. It keeps lunches cold 4 hours while giving you more room inside the bag for other things. It's one less thing to think about on busy school mornings. They have a couple design options, so this one is the one I have, and it fits every lunchbox that I'm showing you today. A leak-proof dip container is a great lunch packing accessory. Now, I use these almost daily. It's perfect for packing dressings, ketchup, hummus, even peanut butter. They seal really well, they fit inside any lunchbox and let you pack dips and dressings without worrying about leaks. They're inexpensive, you get a bunch in a set, and they're dishwasher safe. Now, if your child would rather snack than eat a full lunch, take a look at the GoBe Kids lunchbox. It has a built-in rotating snack spinner thing that makes eating foods more interactive and fun, especially for younger kids who are easily distracted. It also includes a lunch compartment so everything stays together in one container instead of packing several snack cups, etc. You can use a spinner by itself when you only need to pack a snack, or snap it in the lunchbox, and the handle helps young ones take the food to go. This one is perfect for kids who love having lots of little snacks and plenty of variety. The biggest drawback for someone like me who likes to keep things simple is taking it apart to clean it. But at least the parts are top rack dishwasher safe, and the main lunchbox, I just give it a quick hand wash. I have links to everything mentioned in the description below so you can compare them for yourself. While there isn't one perfect lunchbox, there is the right lunchbox for the way your child eats, which you know best. And ultimately, that is the one that comes home empty. By the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, so if making meal times easier for your family sounds good to you, you're in the right place. Here I share practical kitchen tips, family favorite recipes, tons of school lunch ideas, and yes, the very best pancakes. They're all quick videos that get to the point, and I'd love for you to subscribe.